In the rising cases of impulsive buying, overconsumption, living beyond our means, and not knowing the boundaries between wants and needs, are we really seeing the things we oath to see?
Kamusta ang baby ni Mama?
I'm okay, Mama. You know, I just need some allowance since I bought some new things for myself.
I got you. We'll send it right away, okay? I love you, Mom.
Hey! Mama, I love you too. Guys, I have so many orders, you know. So let's unbox it. Come. So first is top. Oh, excuse me ha. Umalis ka dito kung basher ka lang. Shoo!
Or had our desires already clouded our eyes?
Anak, finally!
Ma?
Hindi mo ba iakapin ng mama mo? I miss you!
Pero wait lang po. Ba't kayo nandito? Anyari po?
Anak, sasabihin kasi si mama eh. Kailangan ko sabihin, yung company na wala ng budget, isa ako sa empleyado na napadansik.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
Okay lang po. It's their loss, not ours. Yes.
Oh my God, how about my allowances? It's gonna be mababawasan? No, hindi. It can't be.
Nak,
Ma?
ang dami nga naman dumating na parcel. Kinuha ko kasi akala ko bayad lang.
Sorry po. Nakalimutan ko kasi mabili ng pambayad eh.
Okay na, basta last na to ah. Ano mo naman ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, girl? Sige na, gawin mo na to. Gawin mo na.
Whatever. Ikaw nga inom ng inom eh.
Lak, ano nangyari? May laman naman yung card ko ah. Ba't ayaw umanap?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Are you perhaps Miss Talia Valeria?
Yes, ako nga. Bakit?
We are from Case Banking Company, ma'am.
May concern din ako. Ano? Ba't kayo nandito?
We've been trying to contact you for several weeks now due to your balances, but it appears you've blocked us for some reason.
That's why we are here to discuss about the matter and inform you about the collateral damage. We can pursue with that next week as per our conditions by company.
Ha? Wait. Hindi ko naman ginagamit yung account ko ah. Baka gawa-gawa niyo lang to.
Is there perhaps other people that can use your card? If so, kindly talk to them first. We'll see you next week. Thank you.
What can we do with the things that are supposed to be in our control? Control us.
Sir, what did you do? May pumunta dito na bank collectors kanina and they said that my account is closed and full balance na. And they have no choice but to collect collateral. Anong ginawa mo?
Ma, sorry po. Hindi ko po alam kung anong gagawin ko to.
Kurt naman.
Ma, I'm sorry. Ma?
Oh, andito na pala kayo. Iwas muna sa gulo at iwas muna sa gastos. Lalo ka na, Kurt.
Hi mga kamami! So, ito na nga yung latest. Di ba nga, last month pa kumakalat na itong si Miss full of material things, naging bogus buyer kasi nga na-scam daw siya. Tapos ngayon, confirmed na bogus talaga siya. Kasi naman, siya daw cloud chaser. Ayan tuloy. Kawawa naman yung mami niya, diba? Kasi ang balita daw, pati yung bahay nila naging collateral. Yun, tapos, napauwi daw sila ng probinsya. Ayan, goodbye na siya sa fake, lavish lifestyle niya.
But I only have one question. Can we truly discover ourselves through the glow of our screens?